In this lesson, we'll show you how to install the sample databases that will be used throughout this book. Those databases include the AdventureWorks 2008 database, which is a relational database which mimics a bike store, and the AdventureWorks DW 2008 database, which is a data warehouse for that same bike store. So let's try it out now. To do this lesson, you'll want to go to the codeplex.com/msftdb prod samples. So let's go there now. You also want to make sure that the full text filter daemon service is actually started as well. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Let me hop out here. And as you can see, I went to this URL, codeplex.com. Now these samples are changed on a regular basis, usually each service pack. Next, I'll select the 2008 samples. And then down below, you'll see a list of databases. The easiest one you want is either this one for a 64-bit machine or this one for a 32-bit machine. Select it, acknowledge it, and the samples begin to download. Once downloaded, select the Run button, and the installation will begin. Before fully starting the installation, though, open up the Configuration utility. This is the SQL Server Configuration Manager. You can get there through the SQL Server Program Files group. Once you have that open, ensure that the SQL Server Full Text Filter Daemon Launcher is actually started. This will be used for some of the examples that's used in the sample databases. Once that's started, which you can start by right-clicking and hitting Start button, select the Next button, agree to the terms, select Next, and then you're ready to go. Accept the defaults and hit the Next button one last time. This will require that you select the instance of SQL Server that you want. Now, for a default instance, you'll select MS SQL Server. For other instances, like named instances in your case, you can select Maps or whatever the named instance is. Your instances may vary. Select Next, and then Install. If you have Windows Vista, you'll be prompted for the UAC controls, the user access controls, which mine will be prompted in just a few seconds here. After that, you'll see a list of databases that are installed. Okay, the installation should take no more than 2 minutes on a regular machine. It will restore the databases all for you, so it does all the work for you. After that, you'll be able to open up Management Studio, which is under the SQL Server 2008 group, and see the databases there. So this is a list of my databases I have right now. I'll go ahead and right-click and refresh and see a list of databases. Once the installation is done, select the Finish button, go back to Databases again, and select the Refresh inside of Management Studio. As you can see, a number of databases were installed, including the traditional AdventureWorks database and the new and improved 2008 database. You will also have received a light version of both of these databases as well. These databases has a pared down version of the AdventureWorks database. Okay, in summary, the sample databases that you install from Codeplex are periodically updated. Those downloads can be downloaded from the Rocks website, or the download can be done from the Codeplex website as well. The sample databases includes the AdventureWorks 2008 database and the DW 2008 database. The DW database is a data warehouse database. Once you install the All Databases executable, which we point to in the book, you also will receive the light version of the database and the traditional 2005 versions of that database as well.